If you're like most people, you're giving away thousands of dollars every year without even knowing it. Not to your landlord. Not to your bank. But to the government. The truth, you're probably paying way more in taxes than you legally need to. And no one's going to tell you because the system depends on your ignorance. But once you learn what's really going on behind the scenes, you'll never look at your paycheck the same way again. The system wasn't built for you. Let's be honest, tax law is confusing on purpose. There are over 70,000 pages in the US tax code. Buried within it are loopholes, credits, and deductions, but here's the catch. Most of those benefits aren't designed for employees. They're designed for investors, business owners, and corporations. If you're working a traditional 9-to-5 and just filing your taxes normally, you're playing the most expensive game in town. What the rich understand that you don't. The wealthy play by a different set of rules. They don't necessarily avoid taxes, they simply structure their income differently. Here's what they do earn through businesses, not salaries. Write off expenses like travel, meals, home offices, even cars. Leverage depreciation on assets they still use every day. Invest for cash flow instead of active labor. Reinvest profits in ways that legally defer taxes for years. Sound complicated? It's not once you understand one key principle. Tax law rewards behavior that grows the economy. If you're a business owner, investor, or asset builder, you're helping fuel growth. And the IRS gives you a thank you note in the form of less tax. Real life example: same income, different outcomes. Let's compare two people who make the same amount. Lisa is a full-time employee making $100,000 per year. She gets taxed on that full amount, about $25,000 plus gone. Mark also earns $100,000. But through an LLC he owns. He deducts home office, $3,000 car usage, $6,000 travel and meals, $4,000 tech and software, $2,500 health plan, $5,000 retirement contributions, $10,000. Suddenly, Mark's taxable income is down to $69,500. His tax bill? Far less than Lisa's. Same income, completely different results. The trick no one shows you. You don't need to be rich to do what Mark did. You just need to rethink how you earn. Some of the most powerful tax strategies start with starting a side hustle. Even a small one opens doors. Opening an LLC and keeping track of write-offs. Switching from W-2 to 1099 to unlock business deductions. Investing in real estate or dividend stocks for passive income. Using tax-advantaged accounts like solo 401ks or HSAs. Even a simple change like tracking your mileage or meals can add up to thousands saved every year. Why you've never heard this before? Ask yourself this: why isn't this taught in school? Because schools prepare you to be an employee. They teach you how to earn, not how to keep what you earn. And the people who benefit most from that: banks, governments, corporations. Meanwhile, the rich pass down tax strategies like family heirlooms. They stay silent because why would they change a system that benefits them? Time to flip the script. If you're tired of watching your hard-earned income disappear, it's time to stop playing defense. Start asking better questions. Can I turn my hobby into a business? What expenses am I already paying that could be deductible? Is it time to start a side hustle just for the tax benefits? How can I earn money like the rich through assets and entities? Remember, the tax system isn't broken, it just wasn't built for you. But the moment you learn how to legally play by the same rules, everything changes. It's how the system actually works, you just weren't taught how to use it. But now you know, so ask yourself, how much longer will you overpay? If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button, share with someone who needs this. And subscribe for more financial secrets they don't want you to know. Because every dollar you save on taxes is another step toward true freedom.